He's not talking about religion. Ethics for the new millennium.
Okay.
Ethics for the new millennium. So I'll give you a lot of books to read.
I love reading.
And the second book, and the latest second book that he wrote as an expansion to this book is called Beyond Religion. Beyond Religion. Beyond religion doesn't mean to say that there is something better and above religion, but he is saying is that you should not just get confined to a specific religion, because so many people have different religions. One religion cannot fulfill the needs of everybody. But we need ethics, we need love, we need affection, we need basic spirituality. So therefore, beyond religion, which is an expansion or addition to the first book, Ethics for the New Millennium. So these books you must read. And then the other thing that His Holiness Dalai Lama is doing is he's having very active dialogue with scientists, leading scientists in the world. And the purpose is, and now we have introduced science teaching in the major Tibetan monasteries. They are teaching science, they are learning science. And the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives, which I head, is taking that responsibility. And we have been doing this for so many years. So the purpose is, through spiritual practice or Buddhist practice and through scientific findings, together take the best out of the two, and together we should contribute towards the health of the body and mind of everybody. That's His Holiness's concern, you see, in a realistic way. So that's important. Good news. You know what I mean?
Yes.
What is that? Lunchtime?
I thought integrating research and Buddhism.